Hi, I'm Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading. Today we're going to be talking about 5 key reasons why you should focus on end-of-day trading and avoid day trading. Stay tuned, we'll be right back. Hi, I'm Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading. Today we're going to be talking about 5 key reasons you should focus on end-of-day trading. The first one primarily is that if you're working full-time, day trading is completely out of the picture. You have the opportunity, based on New York closing price data, to trade almost any market, and you have a lull between when the Asian markets are trading and when the London market, which is the largest of the currency markets, begins trading. There's at least a 4 to 5 hour window for people around the world where the markets tend to be fairly quiet, especially in the first few hours. So if you're working full-time at another job, it gives you the opportunity to trade across many instruments and look for the highest probability price action patterns, to position yourself into some fairly high reward, low risk opportunity trades, all at the same time without being at the screen and not having to try and trade during the day in and amongst your job. So secondly, as I mentioned, it gives you the opportunity to follow many markets, and you might follow currencies, you might follow some of the index futures, you might follow some of the commodities, metals, oil. And again, it gives you the opportunity to maybe take yourself out of correlating markets, shares as well. But end-of-day trading, you'll find that there's some great opportunities for 1 hour entry, or 2 hour entry, and maybe 5, 6, 10 hour return on your risk. So that's a really important strategy, especially if you can master that skill and not be tied to the screen, which brings me to point number 3. If you are interested in trading end of day, it gives you the flexibility to have your time to be your own. So if you want to get down to the beach, if you want to go to the gym, if you want to spend time with your family, it gives you the opportunity to spend your day as you'd like and not have to be tied to the screen. A lot of people will sit on a 5-minute chart and be there all day and maybe break even, lose money, and may only get 1 or 2 really good scalps. So for me, it's about lifestyle, and I like to spend my time off the computer. I spend a lot of time testing strategies and back testing systems, but I really love to have my time for myself. Number 4, high return on risk. So again, if you put some blank charts up and get rid of all the clutter and the noise and just have price on the charts, you'll see that there's some significant moves around the fundamental calendars that the markets will often give you some pristine opportunities to enter into channels and trends with maybe one ATR risk. And again, if you put up your daily charts and start looking at your monthly ATRs, your weekly ATRs, you start to get an idea of where some of the buying and selling ranges take place, and you may be risking a 1 hour. And again, you've got at least 2, 3, maybe 4, and sometimes 8, 9, and 10 are reward to risk. So take a look at your blank daily charts, go through those, and spend some time and just look at where you can be positioning your limit orders with your stops and your profit targets, for that matter. Shut the screen off, go to the beach. So the other thing is if you're on a 5-minute chart, a 15-minute chart, even a 1 hour chart, the markets can be quite volatile trying to read them bar by bar intraday. And most studies show that 95% of traders lose their money. They're trying to day trade the markets. There's a very high probability that if you are not able to do that, chances are that you're going to be inconsistent over the long run. And end-of-day trading gives you that opportunity to start positioning yourself and taking the best trades. If you're trying to trade intraday, you can probably only follow a few pairs really sharply and be up to speed. If there's even a 15-second delay on a 5-minute chart, that could be the difference between break even and maybe a losing trade. So just something to think about. If you're already performing on an intraday market and you're making money, by all means continue. I'm not saying that you can't do it. I'm just suggesting that if you're interested in a lifestyle and you're interested in freeing yourself up and having your time available, trading can give you that. But you have to master the skills of end-of-day trading. And, you know, again, put up your blank charts, print them off, start developing some of your trading systems, look for signals, you know, look how you'd manage those trades, back test it, and put together those strategies that will work for you based on the lifestyle that you want. Hopefully that gives you some insight into why I primarily only trade end of day. And, you know, as you can see, the beach here is pretty sweet. For me, trading's about lifestyle. So hopefully you got some good value out of today's video. Study hard, work hard, stay focused, stay disciplined. May the markets go with you. Hi traders, it's Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading. If you haven't done so, please head over to my website at staceyburketrading.com. I create updates on almost a daily basis and I would love for you to receive them. Just click on the blog. If you want to enter your name and your email address, I'll send you my free audio program, the 7-Step Daily Routine for High Performance Traders. This is essential knowledge for all traders in all markets, and this is for helping traders to master the market with discipline, confidence, and a winning mindset. I appreciate all your feedback and comments. As always, traders, stay disciplined and may the markets go with you.